How to reactivate DoorDash Dasher account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can reactivate DoorDash Dasher account. For this, you want to launch open any web browser and search for DoorDash reactivation. Now tap on this link that says how to appeal the deactivation of a Dasher account. Now over here it says for the majority of account deactivations, Dashers can easily submit an appeal directly in the Dasher app. So you want to launch open your Dasher app. Now it's going to look something like this where it says your account has been deactivated. You want to tap on the Start Appeal option over here. Then you want to submit an in-app appeal over there. So follow the instructions and add details and then submit your appeal. However, if you are not able to do so, then you want to scroll all the way down here and find the appeal form. Go ahead and tap on the appeal form option over here. Now, the first thing you want to do here is select your preferred language. So go ahead and select that and tap on the submit option. Next thing you want to do is enter your email address. So go ahead and do that. Make sure that you use the Dasher email or your appeal will not be processed. Now you want to select the cause of your deactivation. You should find that in the deactivation email sent by DoorDash. So go ahead and select the cause of deactivation. Then scroll down and tap on the next option. Now here you will have to enter your first name, last name, mobile number. Now on this box you want to enter the evidence to support your reactivation request. Make sure that you have all the details over here. If you have any screenshots or evidence, you want to upload those files over here. For that, tap on the Select Files option. Then tap on the Submit option. Now the DoorDash team will view your appeal, and if they are satisfied, they will reactivate your DoorDash Dasher account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.